The sun shines bright on a lovely summer day, jumping in the waves, watching dolphins dance and play. Ice cream melts fast in the heat of golden noon. Fireflies glow at night beneath the big full moon. Racing on my bike with the wind against my face, singing loud and proud while I dance around the place. The clock strikes 12, but the party won't slow down. Floating in the pool, not a worry, not a frown. The music plays loud as we laugh and spin around. Dreams take flight high where the stars can't touch the ground.